Hi everyone, and welcome to the first of our series of webinars on getting more from your data, practical use of GPS dashboards in elite football. Quick overview of what we are going to go through today in this presentation. I will give an introduction on myself and the aims of the presentation. Following that, I will speak about 3 dashboards that we have built in our data portal, explaining what the dashboards are, doing a walkthrough on them, and then sharing the practical applications and real-world scenarios that they could be used for. Let's get right into the presentation. I will start off with a bit about myself. I'm Charles Cullen, Product and Education Director at Fitogether. I have worked in elite football for over 10 years. I originally completed a BSc and MSc in sports science at Liverpool John Moores University. Then I followed this up with 2 invaluable internships at Everton Football Club and West Bromwich Albion Football Clubs, where I learnt my trade, understood how to apply the knowledge in the real world. I then followed this up with 10 years at Norwich City, where my main role was to be the hybrid sports scientist, specializing in operating our technology systems, in particular GPS, and providing our department with key reports and insights into our squad, but also able to use the information to lead and assist on the pitch and in the gym. During this presentation, I'm going to walk you through how you can use GPS data, not just to collect numbers, but to help in making decisions that aim to actually drive performance and hopefully reduce injuries. We all know GPS is now a fundamental part of elite football. It has been for many years, but the key question is, are you actually maximizing the data that your GPS system produces? At Fitogether, we've decided to take some of the stress time away from having to learn the skills needed to build dashboards that can analyze data and provide the insights. We designed our DAT portal around 4 key pillars to answer these exact challenges: load management, monitoring and adjusting players' physical workloads to balance fitness gains with recovery, reducing injury risk and ensuring optimal performance. Periodization, structuring training and match preparation over time to peak at key moments, aligning intensity and volume with the season's demands. Injury prevention, using data to identify early signs of fatigue, overload, or imbalance to proactively reduce the likelihood of injuries. Performance insight, taking match data and highlighting key areas about your squad during their match performance. Today's focus is on that last pillar, performance monitoring, and how you can use it to get actionable insights. In this section, we are going to go through 3 of our dashboards: match performance insights, half-to-half comparison, and player rankings. These all have various uses and functions to assist in your decision-making. However, like everything in sports science, almost nothing is black and white, but almost like a jigsaw, and you have to put the pieces of information together to see the picture.